Okay, let's walk under Babe, the blue ox. 30,000 pounds and 35 feet tall. Oh, this is Anna. Oh, baby. This is anatomical. Look at this. This is, what is this? What is, now you talk about blue balls. You talk about blue balls. Huh? I mean, really? Hey, it's all part of YouTube. And here, look at this. That is the giant axe that Paul Bunyan chopped down the tree. And his boots to boot. Let's walk around here, folks. How exciting can this be? There's the California bear. There's the museum that's, of course, shut down. Ho, 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 green giant. How you like that, huh?
Here.
There's a gondola that goes up there, Sky Trail. Of course, it's closed. $20, $16 for over 60. I remember Traveling Robert did this. I believe this was here. He wasn't too impressed. I remember correctly. There it is. Cool. We'll talk to you later. On to Crescent City, 16 miles away. And as always, the Lost RV'ers always want to have the rig in front of another iconic moment in the RV life. Paul Bunyan and Babe, the blue ox with the blue balls, with the rig in front of them. How cool is this? Yeah, we changed our travel plans. Instead of staying in Crescent City Wednesday and Thursday, leaving Friday, we're gonna stay tonight and tomorrow, and then head back on Highway 199, which is a little bit further north than when we came in. It goes right through the heart of redwood country. These are redwood trees here along the coast. And that way we have 2 days kind of meander back instead of trying to do 10 hours in one day. So we're going to head off into Crescent City now, go to that RV lot, see if they can fit us in, and see what we're going to do after that. I say go find a local bar and have an IPA. What do you think, babe? Does that sound good right now?
It sounds like you think it sounds good.
Oh, God. You know what? You can't enjoy an IPA on the road. Oh, looky here. Oh, my goodness.
Score.
Look at that. Oh, wow. Every time we get going, we have to stop and take pictures of this
Look
kind
at
of
that.
stuff. Oh,
that is
man,
picturesque.
It's just beautiful. All right, we'll stop here for a second.
Right there.
Right, no, this car's coming.
Okay.
All right. No words are needed. Just listen to the surf. And the cars. Absolutely beautiful. Definitely some construction going on this highway here. It looked like a landslide came down, maybe. Yeah, when we stopped at the visitor station, the lady told my wife that starting tomorrow, this whole road is going to be shut down 2 hours at a time, which means you just sit on the freeway for 2 solid hours, or the highway. And that's another reason we decided to bug off on the redwood camping and get through this section. All right. Looks beautiful though, isn't it? All uphill, as you can hear. 10 miles of Crescent. Cool. Uh-oh, my COVID wife. Alright. Kind of dark in here, but these are redwood trees for sure. Very remote part of California, even though the freeways go through it. It's so far up and out of the way. Look at this, it's just gorgeous. Trees, baby, trees. Trees. We come from tree country, but not like these. Wow. And this is kind of the southern edge of the redwood forest. We'll be going into the thick of things on Thursday morning. Well, morning to most people, afternoon to us. Let's turn this thing off before I waste any more valuable space. If I use it, the Lost RV'ers. Dream big, drive hard.
Right. Sunset Circle, and then your destination's on the right.
Okay, we're here in Crescent City. We want to turn left on Sunset Circle.
Uh-oh. Oh, make the turn now? Oh, here?
Oh, I guess so.
Oh, I guess so, too.
All right, so...
And then right?
1/10 of a mile, turn right on the Sunset Circle. Crescent City, U.S. Meaning A. 300 feet.
Short vowel. Crescent City Cultural Center, visitor information. I am warm.
Right here.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn right onto I Street.
Oh. So the guy told me that they don't have any law enforcement anymore. They just let the people run kind of wild. And I guess they let the 6/10 of a mile. They let the streets just go to pot. Holy moly!
Oh, whoops! You should have turned.
Where?
There.
No,
Sylvia's
right
attic.
here.
Oh.
No, it can't.
See, it keeps trying to turn
In
you.
1/10 of a mile, turn right onto E Street.
I didn't see sunset.
Crescent Arms.
Okay, we're kind of lost again, but I didn't.
There's the brewery.
Oh, look at that! There's the brewery. Oh.
Turn right now.
See, turn right.
Turn right now. The road's closed right there. All right, so we're lost. We'll be back.
Sunset
Oh, there it is. All right.
Shoreline RV Park.
Okay, let's see if we
Missed
can.
the sign.
Let's see if we can. Oh, look at haircuts. Maybe I should get
You have
those.
arrived at your destination on the right.
Make a YouTube splash and get a haircut.
Number 11.
Number 11. Well, that was for reservations on Wednesday.
Yeah, but you gotta
We'll just
pull
go
in
there.
and talk to them. There's somebody out there.
There's, yeah.
6.
Cool. Here we go. Oh no. God bless America.
Look at that.
Oh, look at the little lighthouse.
Oh, isn't that cute?
All right, so this is where we're coming to, right here. Welcome, stop, register, laundry. Well, we can't get number 11. We can get something because it definitely is not filled. So we should. Oh, look at the flag in the background. How cool! Lost RV'ers, day number 1. Well, 1.5.
Oh, it's closed.
See ya.
Where do they do?
Yeah, nothing better than the American flag. God bless America. So we're switching from number 11, which was right next to a seedy-looking Class A, like a government spy center, to number 13. A little bit more space. And we're here for 2 days. See ya. Here it is. Tide's going out, definitely. Says you can walk way out there. Way out there, see those white caps? It's about 1/8 of a mile. There it is. Look at that cool place. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me. We made it for the night. Lost RV'ers in Crescent City. Talk to you guys later. Day 2 of the Lost RV'ers, our anniversary RV trip. 37 years of marital bliss, right, baby?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
you
yeah.
know it.
So the first
What
thing
an
you do
adventure.
for a Wednesday morning breakfast is toast the bread. Step 2 on this anniversary breakfast, fry the bacon up. Next, of course, is to fry the eggs. Today it's sunny side up with a little bit of cheddar melted over the top. A nice runny egg. For plating, we assemble all the bacon, the tomato, the lettuce, and the sunny side up fried egg. And there you have the Shoreline RV Park sunny side up bacon, lettuce, tomato, and egg sandwich. For this anniversary breakfast, 2021, 37 years of marital bliss on RV road trip number 30, day 2. See ya.